Well, I think they're doing very well, and I think it shows that they prioritize the iPhone above all their other products. I mean, it's the watch that's delayed till quote later this fall, which is fine, but it's for the very obvious reason that the phone is the best-selling, most profitable, most popular product they make. They prioritize it, and I think they've sailed through these issues golden. I mean, it's shipping next week.
Yeah, Luca Maestri, the CFO, warned on the last call about the September quarter when it came to components on margins, perhaps on unit volumes, particularly, I think, in the iPhone and iPads. But that doesn't seem to have affected their product rollout plans at all. And it's interesting to me on the front-facing camera, which we've been talking about, that's a high-end component, and they're building it into more and more things, including the iPad and iPad mini, right?
Yeah, that's correct. And I think no surprise, right? I mean, how many people over the last 18 months have spent more time on front-facing video calls than they did in the entirety of their lives before the pandemic started? It is, it's something that's a part of our daily life now. And even as the pandemic hopefully soon starts fading away, I don't think that the increase in remote work and remote meetings is going to entirely subside to back to where it was. It's a very important component, and Apple is emphasizing it across their product line.
Yeah, John, I call that the Zoom effect of us all worrying about our appearance on the front-facing cameras. I'm curious if you got any insight into Apple's strategy when it comes to services going forward, based on what we heard yesterday.
Well, I think that the emphasis they put on the Fitness Plus improvements, that's their service where you pay and you get, follow the classes and the instructors. It's clearly a big emphasis, and it's a fascinating contrast with Peloton. I mean, that's their obvious competitor. Peloton has had classes like guided meditation and Pilates that Apple's Fitness Plus had lacked. They were the big introductions yesterday that they're coming now. But both services are very personality driven with the instructors on TV. But the two companies are coming from such different angles hardware wise, where Apple is building this fitness platform off $300 to $600 watches that nearly everybody I know anecdotally who is concerned about their fitness, whether they really exercise or just want to track their circles and get their steps, has Apple Watch. Whereas Peloton is a very Apple-like company in that they make a super high-quality hardware product, their bikes and their treadmills, that their users absolutely love. But it's a niche, and I would be very concerned if I were Peloton, frankly.